Now let's see what are the stages in the fertilization of an egg. What do we mean by fertilization first? Fertilization means the fusion of the egg and the sperm to produce zygote. So what is fertilization? Fertilization means we are talking about the fusion of what? Of sperm and an egg. Sperm plus egg which produces zygote. This is known as fertilization. So what is going to happen during fertilization? We have this ovum or the egg, right, which is containing this nucleus. Now at the time of copulation, what is going to happen? Many sperms are going to enter the vagina, and through the vagina they are going to reach the oviducts or the fallopian tubes. So what is the site of fertilization? We have fallopian tubes which are the sites of fertilization, right? Fallopian tubes, which you also call them as oviducts, they are the sites of fertilization. Means the ovum or the egg is going to be there in the fallopian tubes, or you call them as oviducts, where the fertilization means the fusion of sperm and the egg to form zygote is going to take place. So what is going to happen? We have an egg which is showing this nucleus. Now at time, millions of sperms are going to reach the egg. But as you see, only one sperm is going to enter, is going to penetrate the egg. When the sperm penetrates the egg, the acrosome of the head is going to release an enzyme that is known as hyaluronidase, right? So this enzyme is secreted by the acrosome which is in the head region of the sperm, so that the ovum wall dissolves. So this is how the ovum wall dissolves and the head portion is going to enter inside the egg. Now why this head portion only? Why not tail? Because in the head portion we have the genetic material, and this genetic material is composed of the chromosomes. What are the number of those chromosomes? We have 44 autosomes, right? Plus we have sex chromosomes which can be XX or they can be XY. But in this case, the sperms and the egg, they are going to have half the number of chromosomes. Means the sperm may have 22 plus X, or it can have 22 plus Y. So this genetic material is there in the head region of the sperm, right? So this head region of the sperm has that genetic material, and this is going to fuse with the nuclei of the egg. So the head region, which is actually the nucleus which contains the genetic material, is going to fuse with the nucleus of the egg, and this is going to lead to the formation of the first cell of life. Remember, that is known as this zygote. So these are the stages in the fertilization of an egg. So this zygote is going to divide repeatedly and is going to form the multicellular stage, right, which we will discuss. But overall, what do you see in this diagram? We have an egg which shows egg nucleus. Now many sperms are going to approach the egg. Where? They are going to approach the egg in the fallopian tubes or the oviducts, which become the site of fertilization. And after this, only one sperm is able to penetrate the egg. Only one sperm, because it is going to release an enzyme, that is hyaluronidase. This enzyme is present in the acrosome of the sperm, which is in the head region. So the nucleus is going to fuse to form the first cell of life. The nucleus of sperm and egg unite, which is known as fertilization, and this is how the first cell of life, that is zygote, it is formed, which completes the stages of fertilization.